Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Trello for group projects, beginner guide step by step clearly. To configure Trello for group projects, start by creating a new board. Log in to your Trello account. Click the Create New Board option. Name your board according to your project. Choose a background color or image that suits your team. Make sure to adjust the privacy settings to your preference. Click Create Board to open it. Now, it's time to add team members. Click on the Invite button located in the board menu. Enter the email addresses of your teammates. Choose their permission levels, either normal or admin. Click Send Invitation to notify them. Next, create lists to organize your project. Consider using lists such as To Do, In Progress, and Done. Click on the Add a List option to start creating. Type in the name of your first list and hit Enter. Continue adding lists based on your project needs. Once you have your lists, it's time to add cards. Click on Add a card under the appropriate list. Enter a title and description for each task. Assign team members to specific cards to delegate responsibilities. Set due dates on cards to keep everyone on track. You can also add checklists, labels, and attachments for more detail. Encourage team members to comment on cards for better communication. To track progress, move cards between lists as tasks are completed. Regularly review the board in team meetings to discuss updates. Customize notifications to stay informed about changes. Explore Power UPS to enhance your board's functionality. Using Trello effectively will streamline your group project management. Stay flexible and adjust the board as your project evolves. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.